Hey guys, let's talk some good news about TPS, Temporary Protected Status. And I'm also going to talk about those of you who have misrepresentation, immigration violations, some other things on your record, whether or not you could apply for a waiver along with your TPS application. For those of you who are new to me, welcome. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients all over the world on complex immigration issues. Now, Ukraine and South Sudan, TPS registration is now open for those two countries, and for Ukraine specifically, you must have been in the United States as of April 11th, 2022 in order to be eligible for TPS. With Sudan, you must have been in the United States continuously since March 1st, 2022. The period is now open for you to apply, to register, and get your work permit and get your lawful status in the United States. This is open again to those of you who have met this cutoff date. Now, for Cameroon, great news for Cameroonians. You who have been here in the United States since April 14th, 2022, you are eligible for TPS as well. But the registration period is not yet open for Cameroon. Stay tuned for an announcement about when you may be able to apply for this benefit. Now, what if you have immigration violations, like you have unlawful presence on your record, or you entered without inspection, or you have misrepresented, lied, committed fraud and some other things on your immigration applications in the past, or perhaps you have certain crimes on your record? Are you eligible to apply for TPS for one of these countries? Well, the answer is it depends on the type of offense and violation that's involved. So according to our rules, if you have a felony conviction, you cannot apply for TPS. If you have two misdemeanor convictions, also you cannot apply for TPS. And then, but other immigration violations such as misrepresentations, fraud, those can be forgiven through a waiver process based on humanitarian reason, okay, or family unity reason. We do those waivers, these humanitarian waivers, and if you're applying for TPS and you have one of those issues, you're going to need a waiver. So reach out to us to assess your case to see how we might be able to assist you. But you should know that if you have certain crimes like drug-related crimes, you're not eligible for this waiver unless it's for a single possession of marijuana, 30 grams or less.